Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In this quick video, I will show you how to send photo as view once on WhatsApp. So it disappears right after it's opened. Let's get started. View once is a privacy feature in WhatsApp that lets you send photo or videos that can only be viewed once. After they open it, it's gone forever, just like Snapchat or Instagram. Here is how you can do it. Open WhatsApp, open any chats, tap to the plus icon, go to photos, select a photo and tap it. Now you can see a circle icon. Tap on that. You see a message saying photo said to be view once. This means it can only be opened one time. Tap to send button. And just like that, your view once photo is sent. And that's how to send a view once photo on WhatsApp. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.